Welcome to the world of safe and convenient cryptocurrency transactions with OKX. Today, we will tell you how to quickly and easily access your wallet in the OKX app. Open the OKX app on your device and tap on the wallet icon. This is your entry into the world of cryptocurrency opportunities. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, I'll leave the link below in the description. Step 2. Enter your credentials and tap Login. Reliable data security system will ensure your safety during transactions. Step 3. Welcome to your OKX wallet. Here you can manage your assets, make fast transfers, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. Step 4. Click Profile to configure your wallet settings, including security and notifications. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Now you are ready for safe and convenient cryptocurrency transactions with OKX. Enjoy a unique trading and investing experience in the world of cryptocurrencies. Thank you for choosing OKX.